Imagine owning a vacation home nestled in the beautiful Okanagan Valley. Hi, I'm Shannon, the project sales manager at Vista Condominiums. Located at the prestigious Predator Ridge Resort, Vista offers the perfect blend of a luxurious vacation home and a smart rental income investment. With over 20 different floor plans to choose from, Vista offers you and your loved ones a place to unwind and enjoy the extensive activities. Let me show you around. The unit is outfitted with the top-of-the-line appliances, including a gas cooktop, built-in wall oven microwave combo, and a full-size washer and dryer. The den can be tailored to suit your needs and lifestyle, whether it be a productive workspace, a quiet retreat, or some extra sleeping space. The large primary bedroom features a full suite bathroom equipped with a double sink vanity and a spacious walk-in closet. Offered at $575,000, this one-bedroom plus den suite offers 783 square feet of interior space to relax and rest. To make vacation home ownership even easier, a furniture package is available to purchasers as shown in this 2-bedroom unit. The package includes everything you need to arrive and start enjoying this amazing resort lifestyle, from cookware and electronics to a barbecue on your patio to create those gourmet meals after a fun-filled day. When you're not using your Vista property, you can take advantage of the strong demand for rental properties in this area. Predator Ridge is a sought-after destination and has the distinct advantage of being exempt from the BC speculation and vacancy tax. The property management team at Predator Ridge handle all the details for you, from a robust sales and marketing plan to check-in and check-out, housekeeping, and maintenance, making it a hassle-free investment for you. A Vista condominium at Predator Ridge is more than just a property, it's a lifestyle. Whether you're looking for a personal getaway or a lucrative investment, this opportunity offers the best of both worlds. We would love to help you become part of this amazing community. Contact us for more information.